Lost voice memos can hold important notes and ideas. In this video, we'll show you 4 simple ways to recover them from iCloud backup, even if your iPhone is damaged or replaced. Part 1. Recover missing voice memo files from iCloud backup directly. Check iCloud backup settings. iCloud. Erase iPhone settings. Reset. Set up and connect to Wi-Fi. Restore from iCloud and sign in. Choose backup before loss. Restore and check voice memos. Part 2. Recover lost audio recording from iCloud backup via iCloud Drive. Enable iCloud Drive and voice memos settings. iCloud. Open Files app. Browse iCloud Drive. Find and preview the M4 file. Tap Share or Download to restore. Optionally, save to voice memos or locally. Part 3. Recover lost voice memo from iCloud backup via iCloud.com. Go to iCloud website and sign in. Open Account Settings, Advanced Restore Files. Check for exported audio files. If saved to iCloud Drive, browse or search for M4 files. Download and re-import to voice memos if needed. Part 4. Recover lost voice memo files from iCloud backup expertly without resetting. How to recover. Download and install iPhone Data Recovery on your PC or Mac. Launch the program and select Recover from iCloud Backup File. Subsequently, you will need to log into your iCloud account or Apple ID. Browse iCloud Backups and click Download. Select Voice Memos. Next, to scan, choose Memos to recover and click Recover.